As you can see, we can set or change the custom display. There is a lot of different options here, some very cool ones, like kind of like gaming. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the Xiaomi Mi Band 4 smartwatch. I'm doing this review because this is $26. I got this on gearbest.com. I'll put the link in my video description. $26 US. If you don't have the money to pay a lot more for an Apple Watch, even the Series 4 is still expensive, or a Samsung watch, or a Fossil, or even a Fitbit. $26, and this is what you get. I'm going to open the box very quickly, but I want to say a few things first. This is 0.95-inch screen, AMOLED screen, 120 by 240 pixels, Bluetooth 5.0. It's 5 ATM water resistance, so you can swim and showers, of course. 135 milliamps per hour battery. It's good for 20 days standby. It has the Alipay offline payment if this is useful in your country. Heart rate monitor, sleep monitor, multi-sports modes, custom dials you can download. So like I said, all this for $26. So let's open the box and see what we have inside here, and then we'll do all the setup. This is empty. So very nice packaging. So we have the watch here, and here we have a USB charge cable. So this is the little charge here. As you can see, it's a cradle, kind of a cradle design to charge the watch. That's nice. And over here in this little compartment, we have the manual in several languages. I'll have a look at this. And now let's have a look at the watch, what you get for $26. Of course, don't expect metal. This is all plastic, right? So this is the watch right there. Look at that. Look at that. $26. I still cannot believe it. So I'm going to see how this works, and I'm going to have a look at the manual. I'll be back in a second. The first time you run the MyFit or MyFit app, you need to enter your age, your weight, and your height. And then here you need to tap here to pair a new device. And as you can see, you can select between a band, a watch, a scale, or even smart shoes. Maybe I should buy that next time. So we have a smart band here. After you pair this device, the following info will be collected. Okay, perfect. So okay. And access the location. That is correct also. So allow. And now it is searching for the band that we have right here, and we'll see what happens. They say keep the band close to your phone. Confirm on the band, as you can see. So that was fairly quickly, so click on the check mark. Pairing successful. Yeah, that was very fast, and we had got the message on the phone also. By the way, I'm using my Razer phone too here. I did a video on that a few weeks ago. I like this phone a lot. So what's going to happen now? Band lock. The band will be locked when it's removed from your wrist. Oh, and I need to enter a code, I guess. Yeah, okay. And multiple sports. And what is this? Don't like it. Next one. Use the band to control the music you have playing on your phone. Perfect. So this is good. Let's get out of this here. Just a second. Keep the band close to your phone. It is updating, as you can see here. So I guess this will be the first thing to happen when you connect or you pair the band. Call it a watch, but it's really a band to your phone. So here it's going to as you can see here, it is updating. Okay, so updating the firmware. Oh, I guess yes. The very first time you will connect or pair the watch to your phone, it's going to update the firmware if needed. So this is what it's doing now. Updated successfully. Reboot the band, And as you can see here, well, actually I didn't need to reboot the band. It did reboot by itself. Now we have connecting, not charge after pairing. So we have 44% of battery. This was out of the box. As you can see, the watch is partly charged when you receive it. So the manual has only like 3 pages. They show you here how to dismantle the watch to put in the cradle for charging, the QR code to download the MyFit or MiFit app, and basically how to swipe vertical or horizontally. And this is it. So not much, like I said, only like 3 or 4 pages. So this is the watch, and we have the app is running at the moment. And as you can see, we have here the display settings, unlock screen, incoming call, event reminder. We have alarms, we have app alerts, idle alerts. There is a lot of things in this app. So display settings here, as you can see, we can set or change the custom display. There is a lot of different options here. Some very cool ones, like kind of like gaming and different arts. So that's very very nice. And if I go back in here, so to turn the watch on, you just tap at the bottom here. There's a little circle at the bottom. So you have the time and you have the steps, and it stays on here for a few seconds. Of course, you can change that. Now, if you swipe like that, there is more notifications, weather, workout, heart rate, and status. Tap on status, you have your steps, distance, and calories. I have 0 because I've been sitting here doing this video. Now, if you swipe sideways, okay, to get out of that, so I'm going to show that again. So workout, you can select what you want. You go sideways to get out. Weather, yeah, it's cold here today in Canada. As you can see, it's 0 degrees. And we have here the forecast for tomorrow. And sideways again. Weather, notifications, no notifications. And more, if we tap on more, we have D&D. I'm not sure, I have to look this up. We have alarm, we can play music, we can use as a stopwatch, timer, find the device if we lose it, or and etc. And we have settings. And the band display, if I tap on that, we can change the display, as you can see here. Also from the, I believe we can change it also from the application. So if I look at the app again, just to show you a couple of things, the band display, if I like, for example, this one with the earth, I can tap on it and then sync with the watch, tap on that, and now it says syncing. It says also syncing on the watch, as you can see. And it is synced successfully. And if I look closer to the camera, you can see now we have the well, let's go that again. We have the moon. Actually, I thought it's the earth. Is it the earth or the moon? No, it's the moon. So we have the moon as display. So very nice. I'm going to try something more colorful here. I think this is Thor. I'm not sure. There's a kind of a character here. I'm going to load this one here. Sync with watch, downloading. Oh, it had to download it from the MI website. And now it is syncing. It's nice. They show a progress bar, sync successfully, and we can see here. Look at that. Very cool, eh? You see, I'm trying to get a clear focus here on the camera. Very, very nice. So guys, I'm not going to go through all the options here. There is a lot of stuff in the app. You can set different unlock screen options. Event reminder, like I said, reminder, alarm. There is a lot of stuff. But what I want to do to finish this video is to talk about the build quality. Like I said at the beginning, don't expect metal. This is $26 US, but the rubber is very nice. The attachment here is also very nice. And actually, if I remove, I have here my Samsung Gear S3, and I bought this one for my son. So if I take this off, I just want to see here, it goes like this, and you put this in here in the loop, and then you have a lot of holes to attach this right there. I'm trying here, like that. Look at that. Look at this. And tap on this, and the screen, I must say the display is very sharp. And again, if I tap and if I scroll, yeah, very, very sharp. Like the weather, you can read very, very well. It's a very nice watch. For $26, guys, I mean, if you compare this to the price of an Apple Watch or even a Samsung watch, I don't need to tell you, you know how expensive they are. And this is $26 US. Highly recommended. I haven't tested the, was it 20 days or, yeah, 20 days on a standby. I haven't tested that yet, but I may update my comment below after we use this for a full month. So highly recommended. Thank you guys for watching. And as always, if you have any questions about the band, let me know in the comments below. Have a good day. Goodbye, guys.